Hi, Mr. Albert. I'm going to be your nurse today. I'm just going to help clean you up a little bit, okay? Sanitize my hands, pull the curtain for privacy, raise the bed to make sure that it's appropriate level for me so I'm not hurting my back, raise the head of the bed as much as I can tolerate. I've warmed my washcloths up with warm water, and I'm ready to start. This is a task that they can do if they are capable. In this circumstance, the patient is not, so I'll be doing it for them. There's 4 corners to use. So the first one, I'm going to use the inner eye, being gentle. I'm going to pull back to the other eye, pull back, do one side of the face, pull back. The other side of the face, pull back, and then I'm going to get around the nose, pull back, on the other nose, pull back, and then around the mouth. And that is going to be it. I'm going to take off my gloves, lower the bed, sanitize my hands, and document it. Here's your call light and your water. Let me know if you need anything, okay?